Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video of the Tapo Smart Temperature and Humidity Sensor Tapo T310. Tapo T310. Fast and accurate monitoring, 2-second refresh rate, free 2-year data exports. So this is the box. We are going to unbox it now. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. So you can win a lot of things, laptops, computer stuff, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of things. So please don't forget to subscribe. So this is it. This is what is in the box. So you have the Tapo quick start guide, some other papers, and then this. If you like this video, also please don't forget to like it. I'm not sure what this is, but I think it's double tape. This is double tape, and this looks something magnetic. And this is some cord, yes. And then you have the sensor itself. Voila, this is that. Voila, this is the sensor itself. So voila. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, and I see you later. Bye bye. This was the unboxing video of the Tapo Smart Temperature Humidity Sensor. So this is it, as you can see it. Yeah. Bye bye.